Lines. Keep a 45-degree angle between the pen and the paper. Use arm strength. First practice drawing straight lines from top to bottom, and then practice drawing straight lines from left to right. Note that the two ends of the line are light and the middle is heavy. This is essential for sketching and composition in drawing. Start with practicing horizontal and vertical lines, and then practice drawing lines in all directions without blind spots at 360 degrees. Note that do not rotate the drawing board. Rely on rotating the arm and adjusting the direction of the pen. Practice until you can draw straight lines in every angle easily and freely. During the practice process, be confident and do not connect lines little by little. Day 2. Practice arranging lines. Toothpick lines, heavy in the middle and light on both sides. Crossed toothpick lines. Note that generally we cross at a 30-degree angle so that the tones laid out are relatively uniform. In the process of arranging gradient lines, the lines change from dark to light and from dense to sparse. Note that the transition should be natural. Nail lines, light at one end and heavy at the other end. We also call them nail head and rat tail lines. Boundary line of a cube has distinct turns and clear edge. Generally, we first block its turns and then use the technique of gradient lines to summarize the tones of the dark part. The turn of the plane and elevation of the cylinder boundary line is as sharp as that of a cube. The turn of the cross-section of the cylinder is as round and thick as that of a sphere. Note that it is heavy in the middle and light on both sides, solid on the top and virtual on the bottom. The boundary line of a sphere completely does not have as obvious edges and corners as a cube. It is shaped with lines that are heavy in the middle and light on both sides. Day 5. Practice of projection lines. The first type is the projection line of strong light. The edge is clear and the color is distinct. It is similar to drawing the boundary line of a cube. Note that the blocking points should have a rhythm of solid and virtual. The edge of the projection line of natural light is not so sharp. It is similar to the technique of drawing a sphere and a cylinder. It also looks for changes from solid to virtual. There are also blocking points of solid and virtual. Lay tones according to the weight of the background.